Hey guys, we are on the local island of Ukulhas, and while we are doing a long form video, we came across this fish plant. So they're these are I think Marlin, and some of them could be sailfish. That's what they're saying. And see, look at how much fish in here, and they're cutting the fish, drying and processing. And here this is the raw fish. So here they're cutting the fish here and salting the fish there, and that's how they're cutting it. And then here we have more dry fishes right there. Here you can see so much fish here, and then here there's actually more, and these are marlin, and then they have more fish drying in front of the ocean. So this is the real Maldives, and we are on the local island of Ukulhas, and we were just walking the island from north to south, and we came across the fish plant, and that's what we are showing here right now. For more videos from Ukulhas and Maldives, please visit our main channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.